Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat. Today I'm here to give you guys a quick weave tutorial or a quick weave tutorial fail. However y'all want to interpret this video, baby, I'm giving y'all a quick weave today. So these bundles are from West Kiss Hair. Everything about her will be in my description box below. So I did get 3 bundles. I got an 18-inch, a 20-inch, and a 22-inch. And I believe I got it in the texture Kinky Straight. As y'all can see, them grays is peaking, baby. But I do not call those grays. I call those wisdom streaks, baby. That wisdom is coming in fast. Do you hear me? And that's okay. So yes, y'all obviously see the texture of my hair, baby. She is giving 4C goodness. So shout out to my girlies that are 4C. This tutorial is for you. I have not did a quick weave since high school, college. So this is definitely, yeah, y'all, it's been a minute. Like, don't get me wrong, I put heat to my head as far as like the hot combs and like, the blow dryers, but like straightening my head to match a certain texture of hair, it's been a minute. So this is the foundation of how I am braiding my hair for the quick weave. I did get some help from watching this tutorial. I will be linking her channel in the description box because I cannot think of her name right off the bat. But when I tell you she ate. So I definitely followed her guidance. So if you want to check her stuff out, please feel free to click on her channel below. Over the years, I have talked so negatively on my texture of hair, and I just was, I don't know, after a certain age, after a certain mindset that you kind of get once you get older, the more you want to speak love into yourself. And I definitely have been speaking love into my hair. Me and her, I like this now. That's my girl. So I be trying to take care of her as much as I can. And so right now, y'all see I am measuring out those tracks, and I will be doing, this exact step. I'll be measuring out the tracks, I'll be straightening out the tracks, and then I'll glue her, and then I'll place her on the wig cap. Mind y'all, I am literally giving y'all this video. I am literally doing this tutorial. I believe it was like midnight. I didn't finish until like 2-3 o'clock in the morning. So baby, dedication. So y'all see, I will be going back and putting tracks in between the wig cap where you see it's a huge gap. So you can always go back in with that same length and just kind of just fill in those gaps. So right now I am cutting this wig cap. So y'all, guess what? I don't know what I did, and maybe glue was supposed to be on my head, but this wig cap started to kind of slip off. So on the two outer perimeter parts of where the wig cap laid, I did put two bobby pins so it can kind of hold into my hair. Like literally, y'all, I was better off just getting clip-ins and calling it a day. So while I'm straightening my head, you see how she is blending very well with the actual bundles. So I really love that. I wanted to frame this hair, so I did cut some face framing layers in the front. And because I don't want my hair to look too thin in the front, especially as far as like the length difference, I did put tracks between my hair as well. I really love these bundles from Westkid's hair. When I tell y'all she didn't shed, she didn't tangle, like this kinky straight texture was so freaking beautiful. After a while, it was given like, okay, baby, she's overwhelming. She's gonna bulk back up. Like my hair was going through the emotions, y'all. So I would give these bundles a A plus. Now, when it comes down to the execution of getting this quick weave done, baby, I feel like it's a lot of things that I could have worked on. Pause to read those things. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I don't know why this tutorial seems so fast. I felt like I was talking really fast on my voiceover. But yes, I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope that you took what I did and what I feel like I could have did better and use that, and try not to make the same mistakes that I did. Thank y'all so much for coming back, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.